Hello, I'm Wave the Swallow. We will learn about techniques of pencil shading. In this video, we'll discuss hatching and cross-hatching, contour and contrasting lines, stippling, scribbling, and smudging. Let's start with hatching. Hatching lets you make the straight lines of a pencil at any angle. This must give a sample like this, that can either be straight or diagonal. On the other hand, cross-hatching lets you make the straight lines of a pencil at any two different angles. You can also make them perpendicularly. This can show you a sample like this. Next, we'd like to talk about contour and contrasting lines. You can take your contour lines and cross over them with a second set of contour lines going the other direction. On the other hand, the contrasting lines, shorter angled lines going in one direction, and then another set of short angled lines going in the opposite direction, and they do not overlap each other. Next, stippling. This lets you tap the pencil many times on a paper, producing numerous dots, like dot matrix printers that print on a paper that produces uniform pattern. Which one is more accurate pattern? The sample, which is taken from the dot matrix devices. Next, we'll talk about scribbling. Also called doodling, you can move the pencil in random directions. The sampling is shown as scribbling. And finally, smudging. Smudging lets you smoothen the pencil shading. Either you can lightly rub an eraser, or lightly rub with your finger. The sample is shown as smooth shading. You can find out the various levels of pencil shading. We believe that the pencil is made up of lead, depending on its H and B levels. When the B level is increased, you'll get a dark shading. And if the H level is increased, you'll get a light shading. This is how the pencil shading works. For example, the sketching of still life lets you create various objects, such as fruits and vegetables, kettle, dishes, etc. Like, comment, and subscribe now.